pra areia.
Olha o camarão aí, ó. Camarão aí, ó. Quero melhor, camarão.
Hi everyone, my name is Tanya. Today I came to Rio de Janeiro. It is the capital of Brazil. I'm gonna show you the best beach of Leblon. Tourists love Leblon very much. Subscribe the channel, see the best beaches, like the videos and give your feedback.
Limonada com gengibre e hibisco, hein?